Hi guys, welcome to Geeky IS. So today we have this Nokia 5.3 for unboxing. So why do you want to gravitate toward a Nokia device when you have a plethora of Redmi, Realme stuff? So I think if you're a lover of Android One and you would need 2 years of update, Android update plus 3 years of patch update, you don't have to look any further. So unboxing the phone for you guys. First up we have the device itself. So as you can see on the screen, it says it has a dedicated Google button. So some of you like that Google Assistant, so that is pretty handy, so you can use that. So as you can see, this has the Nokia branding at the end of the phone at one end, and you can see the SIM ejector tool there. And what else comes on the box? So we have the normal charger stuff, charging cable. So this one, as this is a new generation phone, this comes with USB type C at the other end. So I'll just show you guys that it's coming with USB-C. So that's the one, USB-C. And what else we have? So we have a normal headphone. So that's good that nowadays no brand gives this. So it's good to see that Nokia is giving us this. And that is the charger which comes with that. So which, as you can see, Nokia branding. So this is 5 watts, 2 amps. Okay, so this is a 10 watts charge. And that is a flexible cover which comes along on the box itself, so that's really good. So the phone looks really good, and that's the charging point where you plug in, and that's the speakers down firing, and that's how it is. As you can see, it's a slab, and which has Nokia branding, and you have the notch design on top, and so that looks like a smiley, the camera, 4 camera array. And we have a regulatory guide, users get started guide. So if you wanted, you can go through it. And just to show you guys, so we have a basic set, as you can see, very basic, and the SIM ejector tool, it's a SIM tray, and that's the, as you can see, 25% of the data is already used, or the storage is already used, and it's running Android 10. So if you have any more questions, guys, do write to me. Thank you so much.